noteworthy in the starting lineup. T.J. McConnell. It is a closeout opportunity once again for Boston. Philadelphia trying to keep their season alive. One more game in Philly. Sixers control the opening tack, and there is McConnell, and right away goes. Oh, that is a huge story for Brad Stevens. He talked to us about it at length as Jaylen Brown explodes and scores the dribble. Joel Embiid finds Redick, and Brown with the block.
Al had no chance of that much contest.
Dario Saric has two running at him all the way to the hole. And later.
That's a pump fake. Baines never moved. He just stayed attached to Embiid.
Great start in that 7-game series. Ben Simmons, likely rookie of the year. And he'll knock his first fractured orbital bone in the left eye as Tatum a little shake and bake and gets a friendly back. McConnell gives it up. Redick passes up a three. Now he goes to the hole, and he flips one up and over Horford. Watching these series evolve. Philadelphia is trying to become the first team to advance when they are down 3-0, and they're... Marcus Morris on the floor. Rozier lets a three go. Boy, in these playoffs, he's shooting over 40% from behind the arc in the postseason. Little flip by Simmons. Saric working on Morris now. Morris, great hands. In street clothes tonight, and they just keep whittling down that roster for Boston, and yet here they are. Springing free and deep. That's poked away by Smart. Tatum gives it back to Smart. Back to Tatum for a two-handed jam. With the rebound. Covington's really having a tough series here with Boston. Boston, who started 5 out of 6, 2 of their last 10 make it through.
High low there, back down that Horford.
Horford already with 4 points, steal by Marcus Morris. Boston turning up the pressure on the defensive end. Philly with a 10 from inside the paint thus far, 14 points. And Embiid hits the first.
Yes, he does, Brian. His ability to shoot the ball, put it on the floor, get to the paint, so impressive.
Tatum drops Covington. Out this one as he gets the 2-pointer to go. Marcus Smart taking on Embiid, the quick shot. Baines with the foul. For both, and they fit this on a very well for Philadelphia this year. Morris, and disrupted layup for Jason Tatum. Ends up as an empty possession. Cleared out for Embiid, double team comes, and Joel Embiid. But it's nagging at him a little bit. You see some wincing every now and then. Jaylen Brown gives it up. Baines with the cut. In Philadelphia on Monday night. 20 points and 4 assists. Embiid all the way in.
Nice play between the two bigs.
Embiid now with 8 points. Redick on Rozier. And Rozier lets a 3 go. Knocks it down. Had a nice little back and forth in these playoffs. Redick flips it up. Gets the bounce.
Job by Redick. All that pressure taking away that 3. He just puts his head down and goes. You can put your head down and go.
Start since he was injured in Game 7 against Milwaukee. Embiid knocks him out.
Points. He had a slow start, didn't he have any shots, but man, he is efficient right now.
Jason Tatum knocks it out. Tatum taking McConnell, and he scores. Back inside, Embiid with Baines on him. And he's got another. Boston 40-39. Saric to put him back on top. Knocks down the... Performing so well. We saw Jason Tatum on the bench, and he is out of the game as Horford gets it back. Covington, a lot of bodies in that corner, and an air ball and a quick putback. Ben Simmons gives it up. Covington runs the floor and scores with the left hand. Heading to the basket. He goes by a lot of players in the NBA. Smart. Bellinelli on him. Smart takes the contact and scores. With Houston and Golden State. Cannot wait. And Simmons again. Filling in for Kyrie Irving. Smart back in Redick down, just bullies his way in.
He loved the respect of it. He said he just met Terry for the first time before
himself. That is Terry Rozier in these playoffs. Good answer by the Sixers coming out of time.
I'd like to see them, see if they can get the ball to Joel Embiid here on this possession. Simmons said, heck with that, I'm just going to the hole.
He's got the bullseye on his back right now. That's J.J. Redick. Swinging across. Baines will pull a 3. Oh! Aaron Baines postseason. out of character. Missed badly Embiid. Here comes Tatum. Speed dribble. Tatum fouled. Count it. Is off. Here is Smart. Gives it up. Rozier lets Covington go by. Three on the way. And count it.
That's very easy Jaylen Brown did.
Boston has 6 different players averaging over 12 points. Shot clock at 5. Rozier, no. Baines keeps it alive. Jumped over Embiid, and now Brown knocks down. He scored 6 of the first 8 in the first half. Simmons makes the basket.
But all for the shooter to come off.
Boston trying to close out the Sixers. And Tatum leaves it up. Baines gets it back. Another chance here for Boston. Baines looks around, sees all the room, and
They don't drop it in. Oh, here we go.
Posted up Baines. Tatum with the help, spins away from it, and a foul. And room at halftime. So Smart, the backup point guard now with Larkin out. Brown, 4-3, open, knocks down. Baines goes by Embiid. Oh, Embiid. He blocked it, but the foul, and now a push after the play. Franchises in the NBA and a bunch of new faces as Embiid backs to fall behind 3-0 in a series. 130-0, advancing is Brown. 3:35 left in this third quarter. Morris taking on Embiid, goes to the hole. No. Well, Philadelphia able to get out of that possession with no points. Here's Sharks now for 3, lined up. It's good.
As we say that, Al Horford sits down and Aaron Baines comes in.
Tatum gets by Covington. And here's Morris now. Pull up 2 is good. So Rozier now with 13. And Embiid receiving in from He's pulling Embiid out. Lane is open. Tatum. Crossover. Take it on Embiid. Not this. Hate him somewhat. At least enough to get a block. And now passing inside Ilyasova, the catch, and the Fogier. Here's Redick. Steps to the side, shoots it up, and Brad Stevens hoping his Celtics can finish the job and advance to the Eastern Conference Finals. And
Jaylen Brown, good pick by Marcus Morris.
Brown's got 21 points. He's been fantastic. Ilyasova!
United Nations group, and they set it up to shoot threes.
Bullet pass, Horford to Brown. Hot hand! Missed them both, Jaylen Brown, who is now riding at 26 minutes. Covington for 3, lines it up, and boom. Covington lost the handle. Sharks breaks to the basket. Sharks will score. Al Horford, game tied at 94. He's backing down Sharks. Spins off of him. Horford scores it to Smart. Smart gives it to Tatum. Passed up a 3, now on the drive. And Embiid with the block. Back to Horford. Sharks on him. Same scenario for Philadelphia. Double team comes. No way to a double-double. And now it's Horford. Pokes it away from Sharks. 3-on-2. Rozier hangs and scores. Looking for someone. Now taking on Simmons. Gets it in the air. Tatum with a two-handed jam. Philadelphia on the move. Back the other way. Joel Embiid. A Euro step and a finger roll. Embiid with Horford on him. Gives it up. Sharks wide open. And he's got it.
Challenge Tatum at the top of his shot.
What an answer here by Philadelphia. And now Simmons springs open. Looking into Sharks. He's got it deep. And he scores.
Back up over his head.
Tatum on top. Oh, rookie on rookie. Tatum goes by Simmons. And Tatum misses the layup. Smart with the Terry Rozier drawing some traffic. Who's going to take the big shot? Tatum. And Tatum. Man, their all-star center. Embiid. Backing down Baines. No. Embiid's got it. And it's stripped by Rozier. And it's Boston ball. Pushing it as fast as he can. Here is Redick for 3. Yes, sir. Oh, man. Remain. And Marcus Smart bangs it in. Trying to miss it. Pewed up. Ben Simmons, the baseball pass. And Smart's got it. And the ball game is